Our company name is Coniagas, which is cobalt, nickel, silver, and arsenic. The cobalt, nickel, and copper is used in the battery market. The silver is used in solar cells, and the arsenic is used in LED displays. Our main thing is what we call the Graal Property. It's a very large copper-cobalt-nickel property located in northern Quebec. It has road access, it's close to hydropower, there's mining infrastructure, and the ideal thing, which is very important here, is we're close to an open ocean port. So we can actually deliver our product globally from our site. The property has been historically drilled and worked on. One of the main groups that worked on it was SOQUEM. SOQUEM is actually a provincial government geological agency, and they came back with a number of 30 to 60 million tons, grading nickel 0.6 to 0.8, copper 0.3 to 0.5, and cobalt 0.1 to 0.15. This is our conceptual model. In the center is a bright red shape. It's a graal, and this is where we feel is the high-grade material, copper, cobalt, nickel, more than likely a lot of platinum group elements. We've been drilling off to the right. We have some very good successful drill results. We did about 17,000 meters of shallow drilling to see the extent of the structure. The structure so far is 6 kilometers long. One of our drill holes came back at 2.28 copper equivalent over 28.9 meters. We have also multiple other holes, and this is still just shallow drilling, and this shallow drilling is in the ground worth billions right now. We haven't found the extent of the structure, and of course we will be doing some what we call deep drilling, and this will give us an idea how big, how deep, and how rich this deposit is. We also have a process called Re2Ox. This process was developed over a 6-year time frame at a cost of $8 million. Re2Ox is actually a hydrometallurgical process. It doesn't generate any gases, and it doesn't have any discharges. One of our strategies is what we call feed first. We are offering toll processing of other people's concentrates, and that's why we indicated that's important that we are next to a port. One of the things that were offered was in the DRC, this pile of low-grade material, about 29 million tons, with a copper range of 1.5% to 6.5% copper, and cobalt 0.8 to 4.5%. And we found out there's a lot of feeds globally that's available. We're not just a battery metal company, but I would call ourselves critical metal company that actually covers many areas. The future is very bright for Coniagas. We're in the right area with the right people, and where the markets are at the right time.